the crypto market is slowly continues to grow, the security problems are far from having a decent solution and remain a bane of this space. There are still so many scams, speculations, and money laundering schemes on the market. But is there a way for blockchain as technology, ICO as financial tool, and crypto investors as community to compromise into that one needed solution? Today, we would like to talk about the reason why it is happening and possible means for improvement. Bubble experience. According to the Gartner report, blockchain haven't yet reached the stage of trough and disillusionment. This means that skepticism increasing and several-fold decrease of unconsidered investments is normal in condition of that the technology keeps on developing and overcoming its limitations. That also means not all blockchains are going to stay alive, but the ones who will stay are going to take a solid ground, maybe even taking lead on the market. Similar situation was observed during dot-com bubble. Investors with overly high expectations turned blind eye on traditional metrics like comparison of price and profit, and were making their decision believing into technology and FOMO syndrome, which led to bubble creation on securities market. And of course, there were some people who wanted to abuse the situation as the opportunity for their scamming tactics. After bubble popped, not many were able to stay afloat. You probably won't be able to even recognize the names of fallen ones, but the winners are well known to the whole world now: Google, Amazon, eBay. Online stores have used already existed successful business model, teleshopping and catalog sale. Amazon and others had intelligently implemented its automating orders, payments and logistics. Causes of over-scamming. What we can observe on ICO market is the repeat of dot-com history, a lot of hype, foolish money and scam, which will lead to bubble inflating and then popping. For not falling into scamming scheme, you have to understand the reasons of why certain project can possibly engage in suspicious activities. Intended scamming. The goal of ICO organizers is not for making real product, but just to raise money and then leave without a trace. ICO as a victim itself. ICO organizers have good motives, however they are being hacked and all money from investors are transferred into another wallet. Foolish money. The product has a weak concept, terrible realization, but there are still people blindly investing into it. Wrong bad management. Instead of investing more money into product itself, ICO organizers used funds for hyping up the project, which usually leads into nothing at the end. As a result, all the sides are suffering from it. Good projects have less ways of reaching audience due to the uproar around scam and the increasing cost on marketing. Investors, in turn, instead of constant investing, are playing a lottery. Possibilities to get rid of scam. Regulation. The paradox of ICO is that while boasting up of its decentralization, they are giving control for their cryptocurrency to a small group of people, so there is a need for an outside control. To clear market from scam, serve state regulators. For example, Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) from US constantly sues and closes dozens of illegal ICOs. No need for ICOs. There's a radical opinion of not needing for ICOs anymore. The market is disappointed by this tool and it's going to be replaced by venture investments in blockchain projects. However, the common sense dictates that ICO will be back as soon as the market and projects become more transparent. Because after dot-com collapse, same with other Nasdaq collapses, investors didn't stop on participating in IPOs. Considering SEC demanding on registering tokens as securities, we can assume that the difference between IPO and ICO will be gradually fade away, while saving their initial idea of having an opportunity on attracting a wide circle of investors, significantly increasing the capital and liquidity of shares or tokens. Conscious investment. Thus, regulators will not minimize risks soon. That being said, there are projects trading tokens for a higher price than selling one, as well as there are perspective products created during ICO. To find out what those projects are, you have to know how to eliminate scam from the available list. The most popular methods for finding out if the project can be trusted or not are manual analysis. You are the expert and only you control your evaluation, so chance of missing something makes the risk higher. Ratings. Basically, the statistical method where you can be confident of not trusting too low-rating projects, while the situation with high ratings might not be that easy. Some evaluations might be resulted as hype trend, and the expert's rating might be affected from bribes. Analytical tools. This one is a combination of two previous methods, but here you will be making the evaluation decision based on software tools. The disadvantage is that if platform is hacked, you will get a wrong answer. To be fair, it is still unsolved problem in general, but the plus is that you will have your evaluation in retrospective. The market is not transparent enough, and more tools for ICO and blockchain will only help the industry, which means these services will continue on developing. There will be more and more indicators for analysis, and it's not that unlikely that it will be all machine automated. So it will be much harder to manipulate such services, and the number of scam projects will decrease. If you want to make money with crypto trading, join Bitseven.com. Link is below. Subscribe to our channel and like our video.